All that we have to do is to give up identifying the self with the body, with forms and limits, and then we shall know ourselves as the self that we always are. The heart is the one supreme center of the self. You need have no doubt about it. The real self is there in the heart, behind the soul, the ego, or I thought. But you cannot know it with your mind. You cannot realize it with imagination when I say, here is the center. The only direct way to realize it is to cease to fantasize and try to be yourself. When you realize, you automatically feel that the center is there. This is the center, the heart, spoken of in the scriptures as the cavity in the heart, grace, or the heart. But you should try to have the experience rather than to locate the experience. A man need not find out where his eyes are situated when he wants to see. The heart is always there, ever open to you, if you care to enter it, ever supporting your every movement, even when you are unaware. It is more proper to say that the self is the heart itself than to say it is in the heart. Really, the self is the center itself. It is everywhere, aware of itself as the heart, the self-awareness. Truly speaking, pure consciousness is indivisible. It is without parts. It has no form and shape, no within and no without, no left, no right. Pure consciousness, which is the heart, includes all, and nothing is outside or apart from it. This is the ultimate truth. From this absolute standpoint, the heart, self, or consciousness can have no particular place assigned to it in the physical body. What is the reason? The body is itself a mere projection of the mind, and the mind is but a poor reflection of the radiant heart. How can that, in which everything is contained, be itself confined as a tiny part within the physical body, which is but an infinitesimal, phenomenal manifestation of the one reality? But people do not understand this. They cannot help thinking in terms of the physical body and the world. For instance, you say you have traveled a great deal and many distances, but that is not the truth. Where is coming or going, or any movement whatsoever for the one all-pervading spirit which you really are? You are where you always have been. It was your body that moved or was conveyed from place to place. This happens within awareness. This is the simple truth. But to a person who considers themselves as a subject living in an objective world. It appears as something altogether visionary. It is by coming down to the level of ordinary understanding that a place is assigned to the heart in the physical body. Once you accept that from the true and absolute standpoint, the heart, as pure consciousness, is beyond space and time, it will be easy for you to understand the rest in its correct perspective. You are the heart, and it is a fact. Meditation is by you, of you, in you. It must go on where you are. It cannot be outside of you. So you are the center of meditation, and that is the heart. Doubts arise only when you identify it with something tangible and physical. Heart is no conception, no object for meditation, but it is the seat of meditation. The self remains all alone. You see the body in the heart. The world is also in it. There is nothing separate from it. So all kinds of efforts are located there only. The heart is not physical. Meditation should not be on the right or the left. Meditation should be on the self. Everyone knows I am. But who is the I? It is neither within nor without, not on the right, not on the left. I am. That is all. Leave alone the ideas of right and left. They pertain to the body. The heart is the self. Realize it, and then you will see for yourself. There is no need to know where and what the heart is. It will do its work if you engage in the quest for self. Only the quest, who am I, is necessary. What remains all through deep sleep and waking is the same, but in waking there is unhappiness and the effort to remove it. Asked who wakes up from sleep, you say, I. Now you are asked to hold fast to this I. If it is done, the eternal being will reveal itself. The investigation of the self is the point, and not meditation on the heart center. There is nothing like within or without. Both mean either the same thing or nothing. Of course, there is also the practice of meditation on the heart center, but it is only a practice, not an investigation. Only the one who meditates on the heart can be made aware when the mind ceases to be active and remains still, while those who meditate on other centers cannot be so aware, but infer that the mind was still only after it again becomes active. If whatever place in the body one thinks self to be residing, due to the power of that thinking, it will appear to the one who thinks thus as if the self is residing in that place. However, the beloved heart alone is the refuge for the rising and subsiding of that I. Know that though it is said that the heart exists both inside and outside, in absolute truth, it does not. Because the body, which appears as the base of the differences of inside and outside, is an imagination of the thinking mind. Heart, the source, is the beginning, middle, and end of all. Heart, the supreme space, is never a form. It is the light of truth.